Hello.
Thank you so much for joining in, sir. How's your experience been at React Nexus overall so far?
Pretty great. Like it's a great conference to meet new people and to learn and a lot of great talks. So it's interesting.
Right. So for the people who are going to know you for the first time, I want you to kind of brief about yourself to them, like so that they can like know you.
Okay. So I'm Yomesh and I work as a lead front-end engineer at a startup called Apollo.io.
Right.
I have roughly 8 years of experience.
Right.
And I primarily based out of New Delhi, India.
Right.
And I've worked over the years with many companies like Razorpay, OLX, and startups like AdPushup. And apart from this, I manage a platform called DevTools.tech,
Right.
which is like a lead code for front-end engineers where they prepare for interviews, and a YouTube channel with 35,000 subscribers.
DevTools is it like an IDE thing which the lead code has it
Yeah.
in its own?
No, it's similar. It's like a similar platform where people can come and they can solve questions which are asked in companies like Uber, Microsoft, Google, Amazon. Actual questions that are not basic questions, but questions that people will actually face in interviews and learn a lot of
Okay.
stuff.
So you said that you work at startup called Apollo, right? What is your role there? What do you do?
So I'm a lead front-end engineer, so my role varies a lot. So I sometimes writing code, sometimes writing ERDs, leading teams, breaking down tasks, or building projects, and whatever my role requires. So it's a mixed bag, but all things front-end primarily.
Okay, front end primarily. So
Yeah.
for the people who are like consider that they're the aspirant of this front end thing. So what would you suggest them to kind of get on with this thing? Like how can they latch on to this front end and maybe get a job, good job, secure job?
I would say get into coding or front end if you enjoy it. Don't get into because you have seen the videos where that if you get into coding that you'll get 1 CR package or 50 lakhs. Don't do it for the money, because if you do it for optimize for money, then you won't be able to learn something.
Right.
Go for the learning part and make your fundamentals strong, learn from good resources, and once you have a strong grasp on the fundamentals, then sky is the limit.
Oh man, thank you. Okay, so the last and final questions, like what is it that motivates you? Like you've been working, I guess, you graduated in 2017, right?
Yeah, 2017.
We had our talk like the off the camera. So it's been like the 8 years or like seven
Yeah,
7 years of
years
experiences. So is experiences say apne like what kept you like motivated all through the while?
See, what I believe is I work in primarily front end.
Right.
So front end जो है, it's a visual feedback loop. That way, like this is a front end screen. Let's
UI
assume
step, yeah.
whatever you build, you can see on the screen. It's like instant feedback, and that's like a dopamine hit for me.
Right.
कि आप जो बनाते हो वो instant दिखता है, and if you are working for a company like Flipkart, Amazon, whatever UI you are building, whatever search, whatever products you are building, that affects millions of users.
Right.
तो अगर आपका if you're making your UI beautiful, is it easy to use, then it impacts anyone who's sitting in Delhi to anyone who's sitting in a tier 2, tier 3 city in India.
Fair.
तो वो जो चीज़ है ना, so that keeps on motivating me to do more and learn more and upskill myself. That it is a fun field to work.
Achha, what makes you happy in life?
My wife.
Oh, Imar. Thank you very much for joining in, sir. You must. Hopefully, we'll see you. We'll shoot a long form content like over the time. As my YouTube channel is about to kind of start only. So over the time, if I'm getting on the base of some of the good subscribers numbers, hopefully I'll try and get you once more.
All the very best. You're doing a great work. Do like, share, and subscribe his videos.
Man, thank you
And
very much. Thank you.
Thank you for having me. Okay.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Bye.
Can wrap.